Hey guys, it's Monday and I'm starting a new week of lunches. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him a Fruit 2.0 in the grape flavor. Just got a case of these at BJ's. It's like a 4-pack or 4 flavor variety pack. I think there's like 32 or 36 in the pack. And then a strawberry banana body armor superior hydration, and of course the water cooler, which is his main source of drinking throughout the day. The main meal today, it's going to be just a salad. This is just a bunch of spring mix packed down. I've got some cucumber, tomato, bell pepper. There is shredded cheese, some of the crunchy salad toppers from McCormick. There's broccoli in here. This is Italian dressing. And then there are chunks of chicken. This is just boneless, skinless chicken breast, just seasoned salt and pepper. Really simple, just a form of protein. And oh yeah, I'm also going to give him a couple hard-boiled eggs. I forgot to get those out. A Del Monte mandarin orange little cup. Granola bar. This is the Trader Joe's peanut butter chewy coated and drizzled bar. A mozzarella stick. And a Captain Wafer peanut butter and honey cracker pack. And then I'll just put some eggs in a little container on the side. And that's everything he's taking today, and we will see you later or tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Polar Zero Sugar Sparkling Frost Kiwi Strawberry drink. These are really tasty. I actually got some for myself, and my husband ended up liking them, so I'm gonna have to get more because they're really good. Also a Strawberry Banana Superior Hydration Body Armor drink, and of course the water cooler. For his entree, I made this salad here. It's butter lettuce blend and then spring mix blend combined. I start out with the lettuce and then I push it down to pack it in, and then I added toppings. So I've got cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, shredded sharp cheddar, some low sodium turkey that I kind of cut in like a ribbon type of vibe, and then I put some of the McCormick crunchy salad toppers on top, and then this is some peppercorn Parmesan dressing from Ken's, the Ken's brand. It's a really good dressing. So he's gonna have that, a banana, a Greek yogurt in the cherry, yeah, just plain old cherry, one of these Oh Snap Dilly Bite pickle chips. I got these at Aldi in a 6 or an 8 pack a while ago, and this one actually got pushed behind a bunch of stuff, so I think it's the last packet from that box, which is fine because the expiration isn't until like August or September. And then one of these mini muffin chocolate chip. These are like the Little Bites dupes. I got these at Aldi, and that's everything. I've mentioned many times before, he eats less in the warmer months, and we are going back into a little bit of a humidity period right now, so he just does not have as much of an appetite when it's hot. I don't either. I don't know if that's common. He tends to eat a little more in the cooler months, but this is his lunch today, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday, I think. Yeah. And also I noticed, or I realized, I guess, this week's lunches, when I said Monday, I meant Tuesday. And because Monday was July 5th, and I didn't know this, but most people have off. I actually ended up having off from work, and I didn't even realize it. So I was like getting ready to log in and start my day and realized I don't have to work. But anyways, so Matt had off on Monday because it was July 5th. Let me know. Did you guys know that? Like, banks are closed, no mail. Is this new? Because I don't remember in the past the 5th ever being like a holiday or a day off. Anyway, so it's Thursday. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him a Snapple apple in the new plastic bottle that they rolled out recently. One of the Walmart brand dupes for Dr. Pepper. And the main entree here is leftovers. This is a new recipe that we tried last night. It is called a sun-dried tomato basil Tuscan chicken. It's pretty easy to make. I did tweak a few things on it, but it did come out good. It doesn't look great when it's cold, so I'm gonna insert a couple clips here of what it looked like in a more appetizing looking state when it was hot. So anyways, here it is. He can just reheat it. I did just add some Parmesan cheese to the top, and there is a lot of the sauce on the bottom underneath the chicken, but it just, when it gets cold, obviously things like soak up. But anyway, so he can have that for lunch, a fork and a knife, a sharp cheddar cheese, Sargento, I think, cheese stick, and a little Pringle individual cup just in the original flavor. And then a banana. I'm probably also going to peel a couple cutie oranges and put them in a little container as well, just because this is a pretty heavy dish, especially with the pasta and the cream sauce. So I just don't think he'll eat much more than this. So I'm just going to do a couple little tiny cuties and call it a day for him. And I'm going to have the same thing for lunch for myself, but obviously at home. And we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, it's Friday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him one of these Sunkissed berry lemonades. I just found these at Walmart and it said they were new. I've never noticed them before. He did try one last night and said it was really tasty. It obviously tastes like what it says it does, but he did say it was really good. One of these Fruit 2O waters in the raspberry flavor. Last night we had some of the Rana brand chicken mozzarella tortellini, I believe it was called. I did toss it in pesto sauce, and then I just put some parm cheese and black pepper on top, so he can just heat that up in this container. I've got some hard-boiled eggs with salt and pepper, a nectarine here. I picked up a few of these the other day. One of these little mini muffin chocolate chip flavor. We got these at Aldi a couple weeks ago, and then a yogurt in the strawberry banana. I just have to throw in a spoon, and that's everything he's taking today. And we will see you next week with a new lunch video, or hopefully next week. But yeah, anyways, have a good day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.